Guys, today we are going to drain engine oil APRILIA RSV1000RR Gen 2. Okay, alright, so here's the bike. I'm going to change the engine oil today. Alright, this is the indicator of the engine oil level. Okay, this is something you have to unbolt this bolt to drain out the engine oil from here, and another one is here at the engine case, and this is the filter. Okay, I will show you how to do it. It's very easy. Alright, so for starting the sum 10, okay, I'm going to use the 10mm socket board. And before that, we have to loosen here the something cap. I will leave it there. Okay. Right. So let's do it. Okay, as you can see, we have to drain out this one first. After that, we will loosen the bolt at the engine case, and last one is the filter. This bike recommendation engine oil capacity is around 3.5 liter something, but you have to fill up for about 3 liters first and start the engine, let it warm, and you have to go for a ride for about 5 minutes and recheck the level once again. And if you need to top up, you have to top up maybe around another 200 ml or 300 ml something. Every bike is not the same, you have to check it by yourself. I will take another dry drain pin. For this one, I'm not really certain the diameter. Maybe 13. So we have to loosen the filter cover first because it did not fit to get in the socket to get over there. Be careful not to drop the screw into the drain pan. For APRILIA RSV Gen 2, it has two types of oil filter has been used. For mine, this model using long type filter. Another model or version or years will be using the short filter. So you have to identify which filter you are using. You can see from the outside of the case of the cover filter, if it's looking like this, it's using long filter. If the cover is flat, so that means the bike is using the short filter. As you can see, right, this one is long filter. The cover is really thicker and not flat. Doesn't matter which one you want to unscrew first, on the sump tank, on the filter, or at the engine case. Doesn't matter. As long as you unscrew all the drain screw. So the size is 14, not 12, but 14. there is another few millimeters inside the engine case. That's why you have to unbolt all the screw. This bike will be going to sort off. That's why I'm going to change the engine oil and every fluid in this bike. To give satisfaction to the new owner, to the buyer. It already has been sold to buyer from Johor. This bike only cover around 10,000 kilometers from brand new. It's really mean. The engine is really smooth because it's very low mileage. So this is the size to unscrew the engine case bolt. Okay, 14 size. And for the filter cover, I already changed to other screw size. I'm using Allen key. I'm using Allen key number 5 size. This one is stitch number 5. Okay, so this is the part 1. I will record another video, part 2, how to fill up and put on the filter and measurement of the engine oil level. Okay, right? So for this part 1 it's already done. Everything has been drained. Okay, right? So see you on part 2. Okay, bye. Right, so you are back on the second video. Okay, so I have screw back the something and the engine case, and I have cleaned the oil filter pot. Okay, so don't over tighten, you can feel it, just a few effort on the screw put, don't too tight. Okay, if not you will break the engine case and the something. Okay, right? So for all the filter I'm using this brand High Flow. I have been used this filter for years and it's really good. The quality is okay. And for my filter is HF564. This filter also compatible with Spider Cam-M. You can use Cam-M Spider filter as well. This high flow is from Thailand, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, right. This is the old one, HF564, and this one HF564 as well. Right. Okay. And this side you have to put some oil on it, and this side will go first into the case. Okay, right. As you can see, right. The position is like this. Okay. Okay, right. So let's put it. Put some oil on it, around the rubber, inside the rubber. It's okay if you want to put it a lot of oil or just a thin surface of oil. Right. Okay. It's done. Make sure your hand is clean. Okay. And you have to slightly push to make it fit, the rubber fit on its place. Okay. Okay, right, like that. Okay, clean the cover of the oil filter. And if you want to make sure there's no leak on this side, you have to change this O-ring every maybe around after 4 or 5 times, draining the engine oil and changing the filter. You have to change this O-ring. Okay, you can buy from eBay, Shopee, F1, right? You can find over there. It's not really expensive, maybe around few bucks. Or you can go to the local machinery shop and give them this sample. Maybe they have it this size. Okay, right. It's clean, right? So put back the filter cover. Oh, sorry. You have I don't have tripod. So you have to push on this filter cover. And tips to tighten this cover, filter cover, you have to tighten from side to side like this. Okay, don't tight on the one side only. You have to make it balance. I don't have the third range, but I will feel how tighten it should. Okay, because this thing, after a few months, it will tighten by itself. That's why you don't have to, no need to tighten too much, because it will tighten by itself, right? I just use my hand to tighten, no need range. Let's check it another times. Okay, right, it's done, tight, it's is done tight, this one already tight. Okay, so it's time for you to fill up the engine oil. Okay, we have done training and fix the new engine oil filter. It's simple. You can make it done in just around half an hour. Right. Okay. Okay, right. So this time I'm using this engine oil, Power and Cruise 1550. Recommendation in the factory books, workshop books, is 1550, right? And since in Asia our weather is really hot, you have to use 1550 or 10W60. Okay, right? This the only suitable with our weather in Asia, because in daylight our weather is from 40 Celsius. So to use 40 series is not really suitable in here. Alright, okay. So we will fill up this engine oil. We put first for 3 liters. This one is APRILIA, right? Usually this bike using silicone or motul, but this time I'm using Castrol because silicone and motul is currently out of stock. Okay. done 2 liter. This is last one, 3 liters. Okay, I will show you why we have to put in 3 liters first. Okay, see? In here, right? Okay. Once you put 3 liters, the engine indicator will show you almost to the max. And that's why I'm saying you have to fire the engine first, let it warm for about 5 minutes and until the engine fan. Okay, so we have to start and let the engine warm up and see how it goes. Okay, the level will drop, and after that we will see how many we have to fill up another more. Okay, so I have start the engine and you can see, look, the engine level has already dropped to 0. Okay, that's why you have to let it engine warm for 5 minutes and shut off the engine and see where the level, and after that you have to fire the engine once again and take it right for about 5 minutes and park your bike and don't shut off the engine and see where the level of the engine oil once again. Okay, right? So, despite only 9,000 kilometers, right after almost around 3 minutes the engine has been run and the fan already kick in for about 2 times. You can see the engine oil level already increased. I already fill up about 3.2 ml, 3 liter and 200 ml, and it's already up to the min. Okay, that's why you have to run the engine. Let it run for about 5 minutes or 6 minutes to make sure the engine oil level is not too much. Okay, it's already up to min level. This is what we want. We don't need to fill up too much, otherwise your engine will drown with engine oil because it's too much. Okay, alright, after 5 minutes something, I already top up around another 100 ml. As you can see, this is the level of engine oil of APRILIA RSV1000RR between should sit upper than min minimum. It's already center between minimum and max. This is what we want, and don't over than this. Alright, if you want to top up, maybe around another 50 ml, but for me this already okay and the correct level. Alright, after 10 minutes.